Hello everyone, this is Elliot from Zhongtuo roll forming machinery. Today let me introduce one of all main roll forming machines for you. This machine we named it Speedy Sight Machine or Rock Boss making machine. The rock balls are made for the mining industrial use. Please check, this is a ready-made product. Now let me introduce this machine for you one part by one part. This is the decoller, and we can see this machine adopts manual type decoller. This type decoller without power. When do the working, it will be pulled by the main roll forming machine. And this one, the maximum loading capacity is 3 tons. You can choose this one, this type decoller, and you can also choose automatic decoller like electrical decoller or hydraulic decoller. We give you different options. You can choose from the options we give you. And this is the main roll forming machine. This machine, as we can see, is very heavy duty. Let me give you the explanation. First of all, this machine, the frame adopts heavy duty cast steel frame. This is more heavy compared to some, H-beam weld or mid-plate weld frame. So that's why this machine can running more stable. And at the same time, this machine adopts gearbox transmission. And we know, compared with the chain transmission or gear transmission, gearbox transmission is more stable. And at the same time, this machine we designed for our Turkey customer. This machine used to produce 2 type products. One type used to produce the speedy sight diameter 39 millimeter, and another is 41 millimeter. For the 39 millimeter speedy sight, the thickness maximum is 2.5 millimeter, and for the 41, the thickness is 3 millimeter. So this machine uses 30 kW transmission motor. 13 kW transmission motor can supply enough power for the roll forming. And we can see this machine adopts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 forming stations, forming roller stations. 7, this machine we made many, especially for the Europe countries. 7 forming stations is enough for this machine for the speed sight production. And this is a controller. The controller, we can give you different language option. For example, we have English, Chinese, Spanish, and French. You can let us know your personal requirements, and then we can adopt different language for you. And this is the shearing part. The shearing part, we designed different and others. Let me give you the explanation. This shearing part, when do the shearing job, it will cut the knots at the same time. This is the product. When the machine do the shearing, it will do the notch at the same time. So this, 2 working steps work at the same time. It will improve the working efficiency. So this will save the production time for customer. And as we can see, this machine, the hydraulic station are installed with the machine together. So after customer received the machine, they do not need to connect the pipe themselves. They can use directly. And at the same time, the hydraulic station have the storage tank. This storage tank can guarantee when the machine do the punching and do the shearing, it have enough power. And for the hydraulic station, our machine adopts 7.5 kW. This power enough for the shearing part to do the shearing job and the cutting job. And this is a shrinking machine. We also named it necking machine. So after the products are produced by the main roll forming machine, we need to use this machine to the necking part. We process this part like this. Insert the product to the roll forming machine, to the device, and then use foot to press the switch, and then this machine will do the necking job. So until now, we already made many sim machines. I mean the speed set machine and the rock box machines. We have 4 experience of these machines, and we already send at least 10 sim machines to the European countries. We are familiar with this kind of machines, and at the same time, the machines we made are better than other manufacturers. For example, like the transmission, all machine adopt gearbox transmission, right? Other manufacturers maybe adopt the chain transmission, and at the same time, all machine adopt heavy-duty cast steel frame. Maybe other customer manufacturer maybe adopt middle plate weld frame like this. So I think all machines have advantages. So if you need these machines, you can send us inquiry. We can check your personal requirements and give you the quote accordingly. I'm sure we will have good cooperation if you choose to cooperate with us. Thank you very much.